should have a little
All right.
thing. You recording?
Bollman's Bee
Nope,
Farm.
until that stops.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bollman's Bee Farm, Wednesday, June 1st, 2011.
Alright, we are actually taking a look today to see actually how the bees are doing, to see if they've actually are getting the top full. Ooh, pretty. Look at all that. They have doubled since the last time we've actually opened it. Okay. Gonna hand me
Get
that.
it off of me. Get the
Okay.
bee off of me.
Okay, we are gonna take and pull out a. Oh, guess who's here? Little Mia's here. Okay, we're gonna pull out a frame. You see how these guys are doing.
Jesse, why don't you go in the house?
Ooh, that's stinky.
See if they've actually started making comb in here. I can't actually. I'm having problems getting it up. Ah, man. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's see if I can get this up faster. So, little guys, I have to use my gloves. Man, these guys really get jammed in there, don't they? Wow. Well, I can definitely tell that they... And I need to buy a hive tool. I can definitely tell. Look at that. Look at all the honey I just disturbed. That's all babies.
I'm not lying. Get back here, dog.
Look down here, hon.
Yummy.
Look at all the honey. We were just adding on a second super.
I got a bee on my leg.
You have like 5 of them.
Or more.
Okay.
Shooby.
Okay. What we are actually doing
You got
is
one on
we're
your
adding.
Right there, Jesse.
Oh no! Don't worry about it. Don't move. They won't hurt you. We're adding actually empty plastic frames coated in wax, and that's what they do. Is that's all this was. It's just plastic.
Hey, I see honey
So
on
what we're
it.
doing is
Oh,
we're adding a whole
gosh.
super in, and this is called the queen secluder, and this actually stops the queen from going up into the upper
Get this one off.
boxes.
Can someone get this one off of my arm?
Jesse, just let it do its own thing.
Oh, gosh,
It'll be
I'm
fine.
getting
You won't get stung. Okay.
I'm in trouble.
Joe,
So
turn
we
it around
are-
the other way.
Ooh, I was itching
Joe,
it,
turn it
so-
around the other way.
Other way. Okay.
Oh, gosh.
Okay.
I don't know about this one.
They actually have started getting the
Oh. No good.
Okay. Okay, everything's nice and
Don't
neat.
touch me. Yeah.
Okay.
Jesse, why don't you get the bee off my ankle?
Okay.
Where?
Now we're
Which one?
putting the inner lid on.
Where is it?
A ladybug.
It's off.
No,
Okay.
it's on this side.
And we're putting the lid back on. And now we just actually
Shake it.
added another whole box. So this
Don't move the muzzle.
frame up
Don't on your
will be
shoe.
nothing but
Don't.
honey, and no bees at all will
No,
be
don't
inside.
move.
What it is the queen will actually not be able to go through that screen and not lay any eggs in the honey. So this box will just be pure honey, no babies, nothing. And then that will be 10 frames of pure honey. But by the time the summer's over, we should have about 7 to 10 of these high. Alrighty. The sugar water is still good. I'll give them some new sugar water tomorrow. And we are done.
What is inside that bean?